You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ram 2500. With fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded pickup truck segment. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include remote keyless entry, voice-activated navigation, power front seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a trailer hitch, a bed liner, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.